Reclaiming your independence is one of the best milestones of getting older. But choosing the right set of wheels to help you get around can feel overwhelming. Many seniors ask themselves, should I get a mobility scooter or an electric wheelchair? While they both give you your freedom back, they are built for completely different lifestyles. Today, we're breaking down the realistic everyday benefits of each so you can confidently pick the perfect option for your needs. Let's find out which one you actually need. First, let's look at mobility scooters. Think of a scooter as your ultimate outdoor companion. If you can still walk short distances around the house, but your legs get tired during long shopping trips, neighborhood strolls, or family vacations, a scooter is likely your perfect match. Realistic benefits. Scooters feature bicycle-style handlebars, which feel instantly familiar and intuitive to drive. They offer higher top speeds, longer battery ranges for crosstown errands, and front baskets for easy storage. Plus, many models fold down or disassemble into a few lightweight pieces, making it incredibly easy for a spouse or caregiver to load them into any standard car trunk without needing a heavy vehicle lift. Now let's pivot to electric wheelchairs, often called power chairs. If your main goal is getting around inside your own home safely, or if you have limited arm and hand strength, an electric wheelchair is the undisputed master. Realistic benefits. Unlike scooters, electric wheelchairs are driven by a highly sensitive joystick right on the armrest. You can steer, back up, and turn with the gentle nudge of a single finger. No upper body pulling or twisting required. Because your body sits directly over the wheels, power chairs have a practically 0-degree turning radius. This means you can effortlessly glide through narrow bathroom doors, turn around in tight kitchens, and pull right up to the dinner table. They also feature highly customizable, orthopedic seat padding designed for comfortable, all-day sitting support. To make it simple, ask yourself these two questions. First, where will you use it most? If it's mostly outdoors or running neighborhood errands, pick a scooter. If it's mainly inside the house and navigating narrow hallways, choose an electric wheelchair. Second, how is your upper body strength? Handlebars require a steady hand grip and shoulder coordination, while a power chair's joystick requires minimal effort. Choosing the right fit means zero stress and immediate freedom. Which one fits your daily routine best? Drop a comment below and let us know. Hit that subscribe button right now for more expert independent living guides and honest product breakdowns. And if you're ready to reclaim your freedom today, explore the ultimate mobility deals at Saksby.com right now. If you have any questions or need a personalized recommendation, reach out to the Saksby team directly via our contact details listed in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Visit Saksby.com and contact us at 1-844-7175044 and email us at hello@saksby.com.